gonna give you some simple tips on how to film super slow motion, these big waves, and seagulls. So come and join me. Now I'm using my little semi-professional Sony 4K camera, and I'm now filming in super slow motion, which is 240 frame rates per second. So 240 frame rates per second, meaning it will shoot 240 shots in 1 second. And then we will see how it look like after we film the big wave there. Look at that. So I chose that angle because it's, as you can see, it's black cliff, and then the splash of the big wave is white. So it creates a big contrast of the waves and the versus to the cliff. So let's see what is the outcome. My shoes. I'm filming the red lighthouse there, and then the big waves. And then with this camera, it has a start and end trigger. So I need to press the trigger button once the wave comes down already, and then it will record the previous wave. So it's a bit tricky, but I need to wait when the action comes like this, when the wave like that, and then I need to press the button, and then it will record the whole wave. There's a surfer on my framing, on my slow motion.
Thank you for watching.
Hi guys! Today I'm gonna, again, are you on how to film these big waves, cliffs, and again,
Subscribe.